Have you guys heard Cheap Thrills by Donald Trump? I'm sure you must have because AI music is everywhere on social media. It's all AI behind these weird but somewhat interesting covers. So, are music artists going obsolete? And what will be the future of whole music industry? Are you ready for listening to non-human music? Let's find out. If you think AI is something new in the music industry, think again. David Bowie worked on the Verbicizer, a 1990s program that scrambled words from various works of literature to generate surprising lyrical possibilities. Sony's Flow Machine software was used in 2016 to compose a song in the style of the Beatles. This opportunity was granted to human composer Benoit Carré, and they collaborated to create the polished pop song Daddy's Car. The consumer version of the technology is already included in popular music production softwares, such as Logic, which is used to construct drum patterns. The story does not end there. IBM Watson Beat, Google's Magenta InSynth Super, JukeDeck, Melodrive, Spotify's Creator Technology Research Lab, and Amper Music are all based on AI. Have you ever wondered how these softwares are created? Deep learning networks, an area of artificial intelligence, are often in charge of making these systems operate. This software identifies patterns in a significant amount of data, such as dance and disco songs and classics. It learns from the input to construct its own compositions, taking into account chords, tempo, length, and sound correlations. Some systems transmit MIDI, whereas others transmit audio. Some are data-driven learners, while others shape their output using established principles based on musical theory. The problem here is that these tools cannot automatically create an entire track. On a small scale, the music appears credible, but the more you listen to it, the less sense it makes. They're all terrific, but not great enough to write a Grammy-winning song on their own. But wait, there has been a change. It's known as generative AI sampling. Computers can now create new musical sounds, such as melodies or rhythms, by learning from a large number of other songs. It's similar to a creative robot that can make music without stealing from anyone. Not only that, but it can invent new musical sounds, such as melodies or rhythms, by listening to a large number of songs. It's similar to a creative robot that can make music without stealing from anyone. And now comes the exciting part. It can produce sounds that seem like they were created by actual instruments or artists, despite the fact that they were created by a computer. And now we can create entire songs out of AI. So that's how the whole thing works. Voicify, an online AI cover song generator, allows users to upload whole songs and have a computer sing them instead of the original artist. On Voicify, you may choose from over 4,500 distinct voice models for your AI cover song. It's cool that you can use the custom model options to design your own AI voice model. Voicify subscribers get access to acapella extractors, reverb removers, and silence removers, to name a few advanced features. So go to ChatGPT and request that it write lyrics for your new song based on your ideas. You may now explore Voicify's artist catalog. You simply paste your lyrics and select any artist voice. Among those on their list are Drake, Kanye West, The Weeknd, Lana Del Rey, and Justin Bieber. You can also create high-quality album art with AI programs such as Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Blue Willow. Simply tweak the typography in Photoshop or Illustrator, and you're ready to upload your latest creation to Spotify. If you want to be unique, programs like Uberduck, Murph, and Typecast allow you to create AI singing voices. Today, you can find full-fledged AI music-based bands on YouTube. Yes, if you like heavy metal, check out Frostbite Orkings on YouTube. The majority of the music is created by an AI system taught by German metal artists. Apart from that, there aren't many noteworthy instances at the moment, but it's only a matter of time before AI music composition achieves substantial traction and ranks among the top 10. Now you know how to find those strangely intriguing Instagram covers. Let's get right into the discussion of legal issues and job security. So, to gain some understanding, let's dive into Voicify's terms and conditions. After reading it, you will understand that the legality of AI-powered cover music generators is still unknown. Use with caution until the law is clarified. However, there are a few caveats. For example, artificially intelligent music cover generators replicate the sound of a song without using the original audio. They have no legal claim to the original creator's work. Okay, but isn't an artist's voice the artist's most valuable copyright? Then, this second warning is appropriate. It states that sharing full-length AI cover songs online may infringe on the copyrights of the creator. So, does this suggest that people may still make quick money from shorter formats? The third caution expands on the second by claiming that while sharing tiny samples of AI album covers on social media may be considered fair use, republishing complete albums may require a permission. It also states that the user is responsible for the legal use of AI music models and the permission of rights to share online. Okay, now this last sentence implies that it is the user's responsibility. However, can people make informed selections if they are unsure about the legality criteria? Musicfy.lol, a competitor of Voicify, features a collection of musicians' voices that it claims are copyright-free, that the user may choose from. This is because these are not the voices of celebrities we know, so using them may not be such a huge deal. So, what about the future? Is this the proper path to take? Is music, like practically everything else in our lives, going to be digitalized? I mean, it already was, but the lyrics used to be original. The music used to be original, and the artists used to pour their hearts into their work. In my perspective, we are humans and can only relate to other humans. But my job is not to get caught up in emotions, but to provide a logical explanation. The only way to use AI-generated music is to use algorithms that are trained on non-copyrighted or publicly available data sets. By creating original music without using copyrighted materials, you can avoid copyright infringement issues. If you are using it for commercial purposes, make sure that you understand the rights and limitations related to the use of copyrighted music, including fair use, public domain, and Creative Commons licenses. Otherwise, I think it's just another toy for you to play with. You can use AI-generated music for personal enjoyment, experimentation, or non-commercial purposes without distributing it or sharing it publicly. This may include using the music in personal videos, artwork, or as background music for private events. So these are my thoughts. This has the potential to be a profitable market in my opinion. To demonstrate, separate the voices and concentrate on the beats for a bit. Advertisers can utilize AI-generated music in their commercial campaigns. Ordinary consumers can use it to improve their work, and people can use it to help create a more unique experience in fields such as storytelling and book narration. However, in my opinion, voice should only be the property of individuals, and they should be given the option of selling it at a royalty to an AI platform or not. And no AI platform should be permitted to decide unilaterally whether they can utilize an artist's voice, even if they promise to use it for a short period. Most marketing these days is done in a shorter style, and if utilizing someone's voice in this format becomes allowed, many artists will lose a significant income stream. In addition to that, AI-generated music can be tailored to suit different gaming genres and themes, whether it's an intense battle sequence, a tranquil exploration phase, or a suspenseful moment. The AI can generate music that fits the mood perfectly, contributing to a more cohesive and captivating gaming atmosphere. They also address the challenge of limited development resources. Game developers can save time and effort by leveraging AI to compose music, allowing them to focus on other critical aspects of the game development. This efficiency leads to faster production cycles and potentially more diverse and engaging soundtracks. This is my modest opinion, and I believe that a new industry can thrive without disturbing the existing one. When it comes to lyrics, I don't think AI will ever be able to compete with humans. This is due to the fact that human artists bring a distinct blend of emotion, experience, and personal histories to their work. Each piece of music they composed reflects their inner world, molded by their pleasures, sufferings, challenges, and victories. Their work is infused with the complexity of human experience, love, sadness, and elation. This emotional connection was a basic feature of music that AI could not duplicate using only algorithms and data analysis. Subscribe to Innovella for more news from the world of AI. Do give your opinion below in the comment section. I have made another video discussing how quantum internet works. Sounds fascinating, right? Click on the video link popping up and I will catch you there in a moment.